Hello, second graders. I wanted to show you a slideshow presentation of life cycles of insects. This is a new unit that we're starting, and I think this might help to explain it to you a little better. What changes do you notice in this slide? As humans, we have distinct life stages. What are they? Well, if you look at these first pictures, it's the picture of probably this boy as a baby. And you can watch him grow where he becomes the boy that's about your age holding the apple for his teacher. And then he grows to a young adult. And you can see how we make those changes through our life. Those are called life cycles. Baby, child, teenager, adult. As part of their life cycle, some insects go through a process called incomplete metamorphosis. Incomplete metamorphosis. What this means is a change from one form to another, but the nymph stage is just a smaller version of the adult stage, so it doesn't really change. Throughout the next few slides, you're going to be able to see the difference between the nymph and the adult grasshopper. The first stage of a grasshopper's life. The egg, it's the first stage of a grasshopper's life. The eggs are laid about 2 inches under the ground. The second stage of a grasshopper's life, the second stage is called the nymph. And the nymph stage looks like the adult grasshopper, but it's missing something. It's missing wings. The third stage of a grasshopper's life, the adult grasshopper, is the last stage in the grasshopper's life. It's the final stage. Grasshopper experiences an incomplete metamorphosis because the nymph looks like an adult. Remember the slide? It just showed us the grasshopper. The difference was there were no wings. So let's compare the nymph stage and the adult stage. What similarities are there? What differences are there? So let's talk about the similarities. They both have those big back legs. They have antennae. They have the big eyes. They both are green. The difference is the wings. The wings are not present in the nymph, but they are in the adult. A complete metamorphosis is the development from an egg to larva to pupa and adult butterfly. That's an example of a complete metamorphosis. As part of their life cycles, these insects go through a process called metamorphosis. It means a change from one form to another. How many stages do you see in the metamorphosis life cycle? Egg is 1, caterpillar is 2, chrysalis 3, the adult emerges 4, and then the adult, that's 5. I want us to watch this life cycle video. This is an example of a painted lady life cycle metamorphosis.